We now know that data is important for many reasons, which includes planning. In a good number of instances, it is important to know the number of times an event occurs. Now imagine not knowing how many times you have taken a particular medicine. Or a less scary event, like how many times you get a 6 when you roll a die, or how many people scored 100% in a test score. The importance of data makes it also important for it to be presented more efficiently. One of the greatest tools of data presentation is the frequency table. This is because it arranges data in a tabular form to reflect the number of times a particular event occurs. It also allows you to look at a set of data more conveniently. Now, let us take an example of the frequency table. Suppose the scores in a math test for 10 students are given as 20, 8, 12, 4, 12, 18, 18, 20, 12, and 6. We can represent these scores using a frequency table. Now, to do this, we arrange the data to show the number of times each score occurs. Now, using the tally marks is a very convenient way to do this without having to skip any observation. So, let's begin. We start with the first number, 20. Let us count how many times the number 20 appears on the screen. Twice, right? Good. Now we strike the number out and place 2 tally marks to indicate that it has been observed. The next number is 8. We follow the same procedure by counting how many times it appears and striking it out and then placing a tally mark to show that it has been observed. 8 appears once, so we place a single tally mark and strike out the number. After 8 is the number 12, and it appears thrice. So we strike out the number and place 3 tally marks to show that it has been observed, yes. Then we see the number 4, which appears once. We place a single tally mark and strike it out to show that it has equally been observed. We do this for the remaining observations in the data set. This reduces the possibility of making errors. We then count the tally marks to know the number of times a score occurs. Now that we've taken all tally marks, which should be equal to the number of observations, we can easily know how many times each observation occurs in the data set. That's quite easy, right? Yes, it is. This is one of the advantages of a frequency table. So with this, we can easily visualize the data and know the number of students with each score. I do hope you have enjoyed this lesson. I will see you in the next one. Bye.